how music works, musicology, or from a musical perspective, I also study the physics of sound. Why sound is a collision of air molecules. Sound. We're looking at sound from a physics perspective. You're dealing with the collision of air molecules.
I felt like to truly encapsulate a phenomenon as a whole, you have to embrace every facet of its enigma. So I didn't just want to understand sound from a linguistics perspective or just have a deep-seated understanding of sound from a physics perspective. What determines the amplitude? What determines the frequency? When you play a note on an instrument, what determines the amplitude? What determines frequency? What determines acceleration?